Virgo, my earth babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page been a blessing to you. Your word of the day is goodness. You guys have so many things to be happy about, a lot of character carving, a lot of attributes that don't serve you, and that old personality and that past being that you used to be. You're going into a new blessing, a new life, a new season, and you have worked on emotions, attitude, anger, strength, patience, and I want you to give yourself some credit for that. I overcome my imperfections by polishing my character to something beautiful. I feed on the positive. Thus, I free myself and allow goodness to manifest and become the source of joy. The small source of joy can propel you to the highest source of light. A clumsy dog, a clumsy baby, laughing at yourself, being able to breathe, walk, talk, speak. These are small superpowers that we take for granted every single day. Through gentleness, I offer unconditional support, understanding, love, to myself and to others. Therefore, you progress and you guys get the reality that you're looking at, because things become more beautiful when you actually realize how beautiful your life is. Love one another, be kind to one another, love yourself. I love you too.